Barely 24 hours after publicly threatening Vice President Constantino Chiwenga with exposure, former Norton MP Themba Mliswa is unleashed. A barrage of corruption allegations against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's automatic successor, alleging multi-million-dollar kickbacks and wedding indulgences. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndipinda panapa mnau toona kuti Themba Mliswa panguva ine oya attacker VP Constantino Chiwenga tiendera mberi zvichinzi on Sunday night Mliswa announced that he called your explosive episodes designed to hold Chiwenga to account, adding that if the VP failed to respond, he must resign. In course, the nation must brace itself for 4 episodes that require Chiwenga to respond if he is clean, Mliswa declared. In a string of posts on Monday morning, Mliswa accused Chiwenga of soliciting lavish gifts, including 6 Rolls Royce for his wedding, $250,000 for wedding preparations, another $250,000 during wedding itself, $250,000 for Seychelles honeymoon at the Four Seasons, and 2 million rands in shopping money in South Africa. He further alleged that Chiwenga demanded $450,000 from Migno Chivayo to purchase 3 apartments for his children, claiming the scandal began when Chivayo allegedly failed to deliver one of the promises. Mliswa's revelations come amid intensifying maneuvers to push Chiwenga out of office. According to sources close to the ruling party, an internal drive to force the vice president to step aside has been launched, positioning Mnangagwa loyalists to consolidate power. This marks a dramatic turn for Mliswa, who is a long-term vocal campaigner for Emmerson Mnangagwa. He, Chiwenga, and activist Cde Geza were among the earliest backers of Mnangagwa's rise during the 2017 military coup that toppled Robert Mugabe, and later during 1 August 2018 violent overthrow of NACHAMISA's electoral win and the chaotic 2023 elections condemned by Sadc. For years, the trio maintained public silence over abuses including the use of imposters in TSHABANGU in parliament, denounced by the Inter-Parliamentary Union and caught on camera by Zimba Chikanza at Harare Sikroni Plaza in December 2023. Critics, including activist Kirina Mjati, accuse him of hypocrisy and of benefiting from the same corruption he now condemns. But with the stakes so high, Zimbabwe's political class is bracing for a public showdown. VP Chiwenga did not respond to the allegations. His supporters, who include Mjati, fired back with the counter accusations against Mliswa. Ndomashoko rumule panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa generally waatakiwa zvakanyanyisa panguva ino nekuda kwekuramba corruption. Pinda kumasection medu mbodi dzamafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pe these explosive allegations from Mliswa to Chiwenga. Pinda kumasection medu dzamafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.